Transforming a modest investment into a massive fortune can come true with cryptocurrencies. The inherent volatile nature of the market can result in ups and downs by almost 30 to 40% in a few minutes. People willing to take high risks become a part of this high-rewarding market. You're not alone if you want to turn rags into riches. In the vibrant crypto world, altcoins rule the blockchain landscape with the promise of significant growth. Discerning genuine candidates from an ocean of competitive crypto investments seems to be a challenging feat. Can you find a digital needle in the blockchain haystack? Yes, you can if you investigate and research enough. In this video, we are ready to embark on a journey to unearth the top 5 crypto coins for long-term investment that can convert your $100 to a whopping $10,000 by the end of July 2024. Investors must analyze each crypto on the basis of the project fundamentals and how it can impact their annual earnings. One must identify if a coin is apt for short-term or long-term gain. So let's evaluate the top 5 crypto coins for long-term hold. 1. Fifthscape. Immersive gameplay is the need of the hour. Players worldwide are seeking innovative genres for gaming and adventure-packed VR experiences. 5thscape tops this category with its virtual realm. With the plan to introduce AR elements shortly, the venture attracts dozens of investors every day. Integrating blockchain into the Gamazone facilitates safe and transparent transactions while creating an engaging ecosystem. 5thscape offers VR experiences beyond its thrilling Gamazone. It spans its sprawling VR content through sectors like healthcare, academics, enterprises, corporate training, and more. Speaking of games, 5thscape is about to release trailers of its next 2 games, Epic Arena and Immersive Kickoff. How do you partake in these VR games and activities? 5thscape is your entry pass to the vast VRscape. It is a versatile currency that grants unrestricted access to its library along with providing monetary returns in the burgeoning digital economy. Investing in 5thscape will give you rewards and bonuses. If you are lucky, you may even win the ongoing community contest on the website. 2. Darkloom. The metaverse industry is reshaping with innovation and current market trends. Joining the league, Darkloom appeals as a prominent player offering a wealth of prospects to its early supporters. Built on a gamified platform, this project has the ambition to facilitate a modern high-end lifestyle. Bloom token holders can explore the metaverse and acquire virtual citizenship to their favorite country. The tokens also grant investors access to various social and recreational activities within the platform. Staking these tokens can help you generate a passive income. Darkloom presale aims to raise $20 million and the project has already neared its $1 million milestone. Now is the perfect time to invest in this immersive VR metaverse. 3. Polkadot. Sharing information and performing transactions within blockchains with the highest transparency and security is a must. Polkadot is a network that enables multi-chain interoperability using the unique architecture called parachains. These blockchains can be customized to connect to the relay chain. The advanced setup enhances customization, scalability, and security within the digital ecosystems for developing dApps and crypto projects. Polkadot is facing a downtrend, but its token, DOT, is poised to transfer value and messages within the blockchain realm. DOT prices are noting support at resistance levels, thereby indicating a rebound journey soon. Analysts predict Polkadot rising to $18 by the end of 2024. 4. The Graph. Collection of blockchain data without involving intermediaries is possible with the Graph's open-source indexing protocol. The Graph operates on Ethereum blockchain, enabling developers to retrieve data quickly and reliably. Why does the Graph support a wide range of dApps across multi-chain blockchains? The credit goes to its decentralized architecture, enhancing censorship resistance and scalability. The mainnet Graph already hosts 100 dApps and more thousand can operate efficiently on the same network. This process reduces transaction costs by many folds. The Graph's native token, GRT, is used to allocate different resources used within the ecosystem and partake in the digital marketplace. 5. Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity has emerged as a high-flying candidate in the gaming sector. Its novel play-to-earn model attracts players and trading enthusiasts globally. This blockchain-based gaming crypto allows gamers to collect, create, breed, and battle digital creatures known as Axies. Players within its Gamazone can earn tokens as winning rewards. The Axies created can also be sold in the marketplaces as NFTs. With a community boasting over $1 million members, Axie Infinity is poised to set new benchmarks in its niche. Although the game requires a hefty initial investment and a significant level of upskilling to partake in various in-game activities, the crypto coin is cementing its presence in the gaming industry. Having watched about the top 5 crypto coins for long-term hold in detail, investors can now make informed decisions for crypto investment. We recommend diversifying your portfolio with 5THscape and Darkloom tokens. These candidates are potentially the best for reaping long-term gains. With the virtual industry going leaps and bounds, 5scape and Bloom demonstrate value appreciation and innovative prowess to lead the pack. 5THscape's VR gaming and library attract investors to its immersive landscape, while the social courtship and luxurious lifestyle are the nexus of Darkloom's metaverse. All investments carry inherent risks, but these projects are still in the pre-sale phase, offering guaranteed returns in short-term and long-term savings.